Hi, I'm Amy Etheridge, a member of the Mayor's Youth Corps mobile journalism team. Today I'd like to introduce you to Jim Mosbaugh, a chemist for biotechnics. He's been making hand sanitizers for his community since the COVID-19 outbreak.
Nothing inspired me to pursue a career in chemistry. I was actually a biology major that got a job as a chemist, and I ended up being pretty good at it. I studied chemistry at the University of South Florida. 26 years I've been a chemist. When COVID started spreading in the United States, we were very concerned, obviously, and we have a lot of technologies that we work on that are antimicrobial and antiviral. So over the past 3 months, we've been able to repurpose some of those chemistries to address COVID-19. I noticed a lot of people, it was very hard to get hand sanitizers. So what I wanted to do with my company, as a Tampa-based company, was to make batches of hand sanitizer to give out to people that need it, people in local businesses that I visit frequently, like the UPS stores and the grocery stores and things like that. We've repurposed actually an active pharmaceutical ingredient factory. We're repurposing them up in Pennsylvania to make much larger batches of hand sanitizer. What we're going to make today is a very generic, no frills, ethyl alcohol hand sanitizer. The way you make it is you take alcohol, in this case we're using 200 proof corn ethanol, that's not been denatured, so we have to cut it with a little isopropyl alcohol. That makes it so no one can drink it and abuse it. We also use water, a chelating agent called calcium disodium EDTA, and a little glycerin for humectancy, just so your hands don't get as dry. And then we adjust the pH at the end to form a stable gel system using a dilute potassium hydroxide solution. The most difficult part of the pandemic has been disruption of supply lines. So, for example, the #1 rheology modifier for hand sanitizing gels, you can't find it anymore. So what we had to do is we had to work on different ways to make these products in the absence of availability of the supply and the raw materials. In the world of chemistry and medicine, I know at least 4 of the companies that I work with are engaged in some form of clinical trials. Again, people that don't have the raw materials that they used to have are having to figure out different ways to make essential products and essential ingredients. And if you're in sanitizers or disinfectants, you are very, very busy right now.